Hello and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today we will learn how to track accesses, modifications, and email notifications within the platform. As administrators, it is essential to have control and visibility over the actions performed by users and the notifications sent by AUTOMY. Let's see how to do it. To make this tracking easier, AUTOMY has a special section where we can access all this information. To find it, we go to the configuration menu and then enter the tracking and audit section. Here we will find three main tools. 1. Access log. In this section, we can see a detailed list of all the accesses that users have made in the platform. This information is key to monitoring who accesses and from where. Data we can view: access date, type of operation performed, login, credential update, logout, access method, username and password, Office 365, Gmail, application used, global app or UX, user's email address, access location, country, city, and state, whether the operation was successful or not, IP address from which the access was made. Additional functionality, export button, allows you to download all the information into an Excel file for more detailed analysis. 2. Traces. This section shows us a detailed history of all the modifications made by administrators in the platform. Data we can view: date of the operation, actor, who performed the action, a user or the system, environment where the action was performed, name of the user who executed the action, whether the operation was successful or not, type of operation performed, add, update, activate, delete, affected entity, action, variable, process, user, etc. Entity identifier. Additional observations. Thanks to this section, we can monitor all modifications within AUTOMY and ensure precise control of the changes. Email traces. Here we can track all notifications sent to users, making sure they are delivered correctly. Data we can view: date of the operation, date on which the notification was sent, type of notification, complete information, approval, execute task, etc. Recipients email, email subject, related process. Additional functionality: show detail. When selecting a notification, an event tab is enabled showing the full history of the email. Here we can see if the email was processed, sent, read, or skipped. If it did not arrive, the reason for being skipped will be shown, which we can share with the IT area to unblock and ensure that emails are delivered correctly. Thanks to these tracking and audit tools in AUTOMY, as administrators we can monitor user access, modifications within the platform, and the status of email notifications. This allows us to maintain control and ensure the correct functioning of the system. If you have any questions or need additional help, do not hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for using AUTOMY, and we'll see you in the next video.